Hi, this is Sean at Ohmmu Energy, and today we're going to show you how to install the Ancel BM200 Battery Monitor on a 12-volt battery. So we started offering these battery monitors as a solution to monitor the voltage and temperature of the 12-volt battery in vehicles where you're using a non-smart battery. So Ohmmu offers a series of LFP batteries, lithium, and all of those have a BMS, which has a Bluetooth functionality to it, so you can actually monitor through an app, and you really don't need this. But we started offering sodium batteries, and our sodium batteries, we're only doing a balancing circuit and not a fancy full-fledged BMS where the current has to go through the BMS and there's all of that monitoring. So as a result, you don't get any monitoring out of our sodium batteries. So the solution is something like this. And these Ancel BM200s are great, and you just connect them to the battery terminals in your installation, and then you can use the Ancel app, the Ancel BM200 app, and you can monitor the voltage, and it actually logs it for you, and it also shows you the temperature of the battery. So we're going to show you how to do it here on this Tesla Model Y. It's very easy, and all you'll need is a 10mm wrench to do it. You're just going to connect the black to the negative and the red to the positive, and that's it. And then you can kind of double-sided tape down this wherever you wish it to be. So you remove this top trim panel to get access to your 12-volt battery. In some of these, the later ones, you're going to have a big HEPA filter here you also have to remove, and that'll have a 10mm on both sides that you remove, and then you can take that big filter out of the way. This one doesn't have that. So this vehicle is sporting a sodium 12-volt battery already, an Ohmmu Sodium 12-volt battery. When you are loosening these lugs, depending on what tool you're using, be very, very careful that you do not allow this tool to touch across those terminals in any way, because that will create a short and it will cause a lot of current to flow through the tool, and that will get extremely hot and potentially cause meltdown and all sorts of bad things. So make sure that they don't touch. If you use gloves, it's a great idea, and you can even put your gloved hand in between, like here, to make sure that there's no possibility of touching, because it would have to go through the glove. That's usually my strategy, is to use my hand as a guard. Okay, so now you've got the negative side on. Now we do the same thing over here with the positive. So you're just gonna loosen it until you have enough of a gap to slide that connector in, then snug it down. Once you've got that secured, then you can take your double-sided tape, apply that on the back side of the unit, and stick it down to the top of your battery. And you will have the ability to monitor that through the Ancel BM200 app, which is available in both the Android and iOS marketplaces. So once you have the Ancel BM200 app installed, you go to the app and you're going to connect a new device, which is the upper left button there. Then click Add Device, and then it may automatically pop up as nearby equipment, and if it doesn't, then you'll have to use the camera and you can scan the serial number. In this case, it looks like it's showing up as nearby equipment, so we'll click Nearby Equipment. We're going to change the name here to a Tesla Model Y, and this other information really isn't that critical. For sodium, I would choose the lithium battery type. It's just going to make estimates on what the SOC is. They're not going to be extremely accurate, but lithium will be a little more accurate than the lead acid would. Then you can hit OK, and that will add the device to your list, and we should start to see some data out of that battery. All right, so now that you're connected to that device, you can select it in the top menu where you have different batteries, and it will show you the voltage and the temperature. It'll also log that the voltage and temperature over time, and so you'll be able to come back here later and kind of see the charge and discharge curves that your car is putting on the 12-volt battery. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, reach out to us, support@ohmmu.com. You can always go to our website, ohmmu.com, where you can get our sodium batteries. You can also buy these Ancel BM200s as an add-on to the sodium batteries. And as always, enjoy your cars.